So sometimes we get customers that say their windows are actually foggy and the thermal pane seal is blown. So not a lot we can do about it, but we can give you a recommendation. So I know that Prescott Glass and Bennett Glass actually replace just the panes. Now most times people think that they've got to replace the whole window when this is gone. But these glass companies know how to pop the molding around the actual glass and pull it out and just replace the glass. So typically, my understanding way this works is they would come out, measure your glass, order your new thermal pane window to match your existing, and when it comes in, they schedule an install, and they come out and they pull that little vinyl molding around the perimeter and pull your glass pane out and put it in. So the window frame itself that butts against your wood and against your stucco stays there. Everything's fine. It's much cheaper. You're going to be $200, $400, $500 to replace just the bad glass instead of $1,000 or $2,000 to have the glass and the whole window frame replaced. And then you might have drywall repair on the inside or stucco repair on the outside. So it gets expensive replacing the whole window. Much more economical to replace just the bad glass, and then you're solved and you get a nice clear window again.